show you. Ones that are easy to get, let her get them.
There's one down here on the wall.
The ones you gotta look for.
Get him, that bug. Get him.
What are you waiting on?
I just got him.
Oh.
This is so amazing. It's so fun.
Looks like Junior's done. He can't fit no more.
Get him, Jaylee.
Get him?
Get them all.
Why is he not?
Yeah, don't let that stinking boy get them all.
Well, he's very quick.
Good job, Boots.
Stop. Wait, look at where you're going.
Jaylee, look under there. Aim. Get him, though.
Well, he's the stinking boy.
Yeah.
I'm the all big boy. He does.
Look at, find them all.
Okay, I think I'm done. It's the best.
I'm done
I'm
There, Bruce.
Huggies are trying to get him.
Oh. Oh no.
Alright.
Did we get them all?
Is that every?
More.
Can you put in more? Can you put in more, Mommy?
Hey, looks like he brought a bunch.
Dang.
Look, Jaylee. Hurry, get him before Junior gets... It's okay, Jaylee. We're sharing.
Man,
I'm going to share with you. All of them. Do you see any more kids?
Is that it?
Nope.
Mom, Penny.
There's one right there, Bruce. I want you to get it. I ain't hurt no more.
Me.
Might be one more somewhere else.
Wait, Mom, do they have a more?
I don't know.
You guys got them all.
Huh?
Or did
It looks like you got them.
Or did we?
Or maybe we.
You guys think you can carry that in the house without the doggy knocking them down?
I don't think so.
What?
Carrying it high. What? Turn around and say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter!
Hey, why don't